How to buy Team Cheese token. So this token came under the symbol of team. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener here. Now this token created 7 days ago and increased by 500% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 3 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, copy the token from here, open your funds wallet for that. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive the token. As you can see, to select the provider, click on pricing. Now click on provider. Select Jupiter, for example, click on apply. Now go back and click on swap here, and you will be able to redact it after that to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy team token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.